welcome back to my step-by-step Android development video series. So as you can see, we have just picked up where we left off last time. I've started to run the emulator, and just like I said, if you run it up, this here is supposed to be a list view, and of course it's blank because we haven't added anything to the list yet. So now we'll be adding things to it. So let's just open this up. Open these up. Yes. Just to go back and review, we put the list view and nothing else. So now let's start adding things. And here is how we add things. We want to make a new Java class, so we'll go to our little structure thing and right click and make a new Java class, and we'll call it Solstice. Well, sorry, yes, traditions list, some sort of boring name. And we want to make an enum class. So we want to make an enum. And we'll have to list out things that people do to celebrate winter solstice. So, choice one, let's just think of some things. Oh wait, we need to put strings here. So obviously, choice one string. Sorry, just realized. Good programming. So choice two string, and let's just do three things. Choice three, choice three string, and of course it will be complaining at us because we haven't initialize any of these three things. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's right there. There you are. So we have to go to the strings list, which can be found under your values, and we have to think of some strings names here. And we'll just, we call them choice one string, choice two string, and choice three string. So let's just think of things that people do during winter solstice. They contemplate winter. They spend time with loved ones, and they see get a Yuletide log. It's called a Yuletide log? Yule log. Let's just call that. We'll fix it later. And so now it should be fixed. Should be fixed. We have to call them r.id. There we are. No, it's still not fixed. What is going on here? Are they string? Oh, here we are. Here we are. And then we have. Okay. Something's still not right. Oh wait. This is normal. Ignore the complaining because we haven't actually populated the list adapter, so it's still thinking it's going to be an int, which is fine. Choice two string, and then we'll call this our string. Choice three string. All right. So at least now it's recognized the strings, so that's why they turn purple. So that's good. And the second, so we'll have a four-step method. One, we have to, step one, initialize the list adapter. Step two, we have to, initialize, list view. Second step is to initialize the list adapter. Step 3 is to populate the list adapter. And step 4 is to set the adapter. Yes, I think that's right. Alright, so first let's initialize list view. So list view autocomplete. So view, we'll call this view of list this variable. List view. Find by ID. Is that right? Is ID capitalized? I feel like no. What is going on? Find view by ID. There we are. Sometimes this stuff is tricky. And then this is a yes. List view. Yes. Alright. Because we call this thing list view, this ID. Alright. So now we've initialized the view. And now let's initialize the adapter. So we do that by going array adapter string. We'll call this adapter of titles. Yeah, that's a good name. New array adapter. Do you have to call this string again? What is going on? Ah, string. Okay, it already did it for me. So let's see. This. Oh, and here's the thing. We'll be doing this like weird thing where we have to have this layout, and it's called simple list item 1. Ah, come on. I think that's it. Oop. List item 1. Come on. No. Ah, there you are. So, and you'll probably be wondering, what is list item 1? We haven't made it in our layout. And that's because it's sort of like a default Android thing. It's not here, it's just they just made some layout things for you. So that's convenient. So it would just be a classic boring list. It's something special. But now it saves us the trouble of making the XML. So now let's populate lists in a nice loop. So for what do we call our array? Oh wait, what do you call it? Traditions list. For traditions list, enum of traditions. That's a good thing. Traditions list values. We want to add it to the adapter, so it's adapter of titles. Dot add. What do we want to add? Get string enum of traditions dot. Oh, right. So this is what we're gonna do. We have to actually put a getter in our things. Now let's put the getter. So we have to call it a public int title, and we call it traditions list int title. This title is equal to title. I think this should work. Yes, now it's stopping. Wait. So let's see. Now we're just add enum title. Alright, and we haven't got step 4 yet, so I'll do it in my next video since I'm coming up to my limit, my 10-minute limit on my screen recorder. Alright, see you guys in the next video. We will get to this and look at our list next time.